Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you something cool. So I wanted to record my lectures on Wednesdays because I can't be there by then. So I found this cool module called pyautogui, which can make you automate what to press and stuff, and this time module to wait. So you can click on the x-axis and the y-axis here on the desktop, and then you can make the computer work and you can wait for 3 seconds and then you can click something again. So if I run this one, it's gonna click into the Chrome, and then it's gonna go into calendar and sign in. So I'm not doing anything now. So then it's gonna click on onsdag, and go into Delta Online. So that's pretty cool. And now I can use my mouse again and go out. So this is the one I'm using now. So because this one is opening OBS and starting recording because I'm using it now, so it's gonna be not work. But it's going to open OBS and press record and wait and do all the other stuff. And then you can use the schedule module to make it record at a certain time. So on like Tuesdays at 21, blah blah blah. And then you can do recording. So set the recording into this function and close. So I can make the computer close the OBS program or close the recording at a certain time. So this is very cool, I think. And to find the x-axis and y-axis for your mouse, you can go into Python and import pyautogui, and then you can use this thing. And then when you move the mouse, you can see the x-axis and the y-axis. So if you hold down to the go down to Chrome here, you can see what it is. And you can also double click like I'm doing here, or click, or you can also press like a hotkey, or you can make the computer click on an image. So you can provide it with like the Chrome image, and then the computer would press that one. But you can also press this one and this one and this one. So you gotta make it, yeah. This is maybe the most safest way to do it. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I think.